On a Yoga and Wellbeing course, you will start the morning in the classroom. Here you will work on speaking and listening skills. Then there's coffee break, in which you will have the opportunity to mix with other students and keep practicing small talk. After the break, you will set off with your teacher to walk and talk between the school and the yoga studio. On the walk, you will see Edinburgh's beautiful cityscape and hear interesting stories from the past. The yoga practice and well-being workshop is taken by a professional yoga teacher. You will learn breathing techniques for stress management and also why movement is so important for the mind as well as the body. Other topics that will be covered are self-care and how to deal with stressful situations such as speaking English or work. After the yoga class, you're free to explore Edinburgh by visiting the art galleries and museums, or just to walk in the many wonderful parks and gardens and relax.